In this video I will show you how you can use your Google account as a password manager. You can find timestamps in the description. First, you got to make sure you enabled the function offer to save passwords in your Google account. This is also where you can see the websites that you have saved. Adding a new site is easy. All you got to do is load the site and sign in. Press Save in the menu that pops up. The account now has been added to your password manager. To see your login information of a site, click it twice. To make sure that you are the only one who has access to your passwords, you need to sign in. Here you can see your username and your password.